we are going to draw a time displacement graph on the basis of given data. So in this case, we can say this information is given to us. Some information they have given to us, like time, the different 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. These data they have given for the time. At the same time, some data they have given parallelly to for displacement. On the basis of time and displacement, we are going to draw a graph of time displacement. Here this graph we will draw by our own. Only question we will get, firstly draw the graph and then find the values in different positions. Now at x-axis we consider time, at y-axis we consider the displacement. In this, after drawing this graph, firstly x-axis, y-axis mention time and displacement. We see, like time, we have taken 0, 2, 4, means 2 seconds. Here unit already given with time, second, and displacement meter. So along with that 2 seconds spell of time, the gap of 2 seconds they have taken. Here on this scale we have considered the same, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, means 2 seconds difference is there. In displacement also we have taken 2 meter difference of 2. So for this, firstly we start making, like at 0 second the time was, as 0 second the time was 0. As 0 second time was 0. So what we considered, at 0 second the time 0, displacement was also 0 at that time. Another case, second situation, at time 2 second the displacement covered by the body was 2 meter. Time 2 second the displacement covered by the body is 2 second. Fine. Like we will just place the point on the particular points, first here, second here, third. At 4 second the body's displacement was 4. At 6 second body's displacement was 4 only. 6 second body's displacement 4. At 8 second the displacement of body was 4. At 10, 6. Accordingly we just place the dots and later on we joined these dots. We joined all these dots and later on we got a graph like this. Now on the basis of this we have to give the answers of given questions. Use this graph to find average velocity of first 4 second, means from 0 to 4 till here, first 4 second. So average velocity, change in displacement per unit time. Now change in displacement means 4 to 0. Change is displacement, final displacement minus initial displacement. Final displacement was 4, initial was 0. So 4 minus 0, and time taken 4 minus 0 means 4. So total displacement, average velocity came 1 meter per second in first case. In second case, velocity for next 4 second, means till 4 second we have taken. Now next 4 second, if we will go for the next 4 second, means 4 to 8. Now in such situation we can say we are getting a straight line, like body was in rest position only. Displacement 4 minus 4 means displacement was 0, and time was 8 minus 4 means 4. So 0 upon 4 will be 0. So total we can say that last here, change is displacement 0, average velocity 0. So what we can say, in between first 4 second or next 4 second we got displacement and velocity. If body was in rest, the velocity was 0. Now next, after that they are asking last 6 second. In last 6 second, 10 to 16, here we can say the final velocity of the final displacement of the body is 0 and initial displacement of the body was 6. So final minus initial 6, we can say 0 minus 6 will be minus 6. 0 minus 6, and time taken 16 minus 10 will be 6. So we can say minus 1 meter per second. So in this situation we can say the displacement, average velocity of the body minus 1 meter per second. Okay, thank you.